We are now explaining the English version of the send table debugging tutorial. Now find the English version of the send table installation package. Right-click to extract it into this folder. You can get a file package with the suffix English. Then open this file package. First, install the C++ driver. I have already installed it here. Then you need to install the somatosensory driver. After checking, click Install. Then click on the application in the first folder. This is its calibration procedure. After this interface appears, press and hold the left mouse button and then frame a rectangle inside the sand pool. Then select OK. Then now we need to dig a hole in the sand pool and pile up a high point. Now in our sand pool, a high point has been piled up and a low point has been dug alongside. Then repeat the operation of the first step just now. Press and hold the left button to frame a rectangle inside the sand pool. Then click OK. Enter this interface and then press ESC to exit. Now proceed to the second step of the calibration procedure. There is a checkerboard pattern in the upper left corner of the calibration program. In the calibration mode, take out a piece of white paper or larger cardboard and put it in the sand. Let the 4 points be completely on the white paper and in the state shown in the figure. If the light on site is too bright, press the up and down keys on the keyboard to adjust the brightness. When the 4 points around the checkerboard turn green, press the Shift. Then press 1 on the keyboard. The first point is calibrated. Then do a second point calibration. Now the calibration is to use one high and one low, such a calibration pattern. If the first one is placed here on the sand table, for the second point, the white cardboard needs to be raised by 10 centimeters so that all 4 points are within the white paper. Keep it still. You need to go to the computer keyboard and press Shift, and then press 1 to confirm the calibration of the second checkerboard. A total of 15 checkerboard grids are arranged in order of one high and one low after calibration. The interface will display the current calibration progress. Then press ESC to exit. After returning to the folder, exit to the previous level and open the Sandbox game folder. Turn on the player. After opening, there is no game in the playlist. The games here are added by us, and then I will teach you how to add games. Click the small box on the right to select the No One application in the game. After adding the game and check the boot option below. Then close the page and exit to save the settings just now. There is also automatic loop playback after the software starts and automatic hiding after starting the software. Reopen the software. It will automatically jump to the interface of the game.